If your hotel collection diffuser is running but giving you 0 cent, don't assume it's useless. This usually comes down to flow interruption, not failure. The unit might still be powered, lights on, everything looks normal, but internally the fragrance isn't being pushed through. That can happen if oil isn't feeding correctly, the mist pathway is blocked, or the settings aren't actually triggering diffusion cycles. The point here is not guessing, it's checking each part that controls scent output. Once you fix that pathway, the diffuser immediately comes back to life. Let's go straight into the exact fixes that solve this fast. And try these. 1. Turn the diffuser off, then power it back on to reset the cycle. 2. Take out the oil bottle and reinstall it firmly to ensure proper flow. 3. Clean the atomizer or nozzle area to remove any blockage. 4. Set the diffuser to a higher intensity or continuous mode. 5. Let the unit run for a minute to restart internal pressure. 6. Check for scent output and confirm it's dispersing normally.